guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Kayla Jukic here if you're new. If you're not, welcome back. I am currently on the Carnival Mardi Gras for a 7-day Caribbean cruise, and you guys are gonna come along with me. We are in the room, we are in the room, we're on the boat, we're on the boat. I am so freaking excited. So today is Saturday, January 28th. If you guys didn't watch my last vlog, I did like a pack and prep with me, so go watch that one first. But I am on the Carnival Mardi Gras with my husband to celebrate my 30th birthday. We actually got on the ship probably like 2 hours ago, but we just got our room now. We have an interior room, and I'm gonna quickly show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like when you first walk in. This is the bathroom, and then we have a lot of closet space. So my husband's using this side, I use this side. I put all of my clothes away. So this is all my like nighttime clothes, my nice outfits. This is like my daytime outfits. I have some more daytime stuff there. My gym outfits, which I literally almost forgot to bring. I have accessories, so hats, bags down there, shoes there. And here's my bikinis in this little corner. We have this beautiful, huge vanity mirror. We have a table. This is literally where I'm going to be doing all of my get ready videos. We have a little mini bar and a stool. This is our bed, and one thing that I love is that there's enough room where you can put your luggage underneath. It comes so clutch. We have a TV. Welcome aboard Mardi Gras, Alan and Kayla. And honestly, this is a first for us. We've never seen this, but it's a joining door, so I guess with like the next room. Now I'm gonna quickly show you guys the bathroom. So toilet, we have all of this space. So literally I'm using both of these shelves with all of my stuff. That's my husband's stuff. Big sink. We got a big shower with a glass door, which is nice because usually on Carnival ships they have like just a screen. So yeah, lighting's really good in here. Compared to our last cruise on Norwegian, this is definitely a smaller bathroom, but it's okay, not complaining. When we first got on, our room wasn't ready, like I said, so we had Guy's Burgers, which is definitely a must when you first get on, and then we just walked around to try and find everything. Now we both unpacked. I put this cute little outfit on, and we're gonna go again walk around, and we're gonna get ready because at 4 o'clock we're having the big sail away party.
4, 3, 2, 1, it's vacation time! A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt.
Oh boy. It is a little bit later and we just woke up from a nap. It was much needed, but I'm still exhausted. Honestly, today was a hard day just because we had to wake up at like 3 a.m. to travel from Toronto to get here. We slept like I think 2 hours last night. We barely slept on the plane, so we're tired. I'm feeling it right now. It is 7:30 and we have dinner at 7:45, I think at the Palm restaurant, right? I like usually like putting makeup on and dressing cute and stuff, but I don't know if that's gonna happen tonight. I'm gonna put it like a dress on, I think, but I'm just not gonna put makeup on. So I was thinking of just wearing this like blue and white dress. The other outfits like I know I want to wear and like look really cute with, so I think it's gonna be this one. Literally did absolutely nothing. Nothing to my hair, no makeup. Put my dress on. Don't want to forget this. I need to put these on. Put some deodorant on and perfume, and we're calling it a day. We need to get to dinner because it's 7:45. Okay, I totally lied. Put my hair in a bun. Okay, bye.
Before we get into this, I know exactly what some of you are thinking. Where?
Yeah, stick your head underwater. I did that for like 10 seconds.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the first full day on the cruise and our first sea day. The hubby and I just got back from having breakfast. We've had a really slow start to our morning. We really needed to sleep in and just catch up on sleep. Now we are going to go on the Lido deck and hopefully tan. It was raining this morning and it was super cloudy, but it seems like we're going into an area where it's starting to get sunny, so wish us luck. This is my bikini for the day. I bought the top from Target when we were in Florida, and then these bottoms are from Night Swim. There's the hubby literally just waiting for me because I always take forever. I was wearing this dress this morning, but I'm just gonna put it back on now. We already have towels in the room, so that's good. We were walking on the Lido deck, which is like the main deck, and it's pretty busy so far, so we're gonna have to finagle and look for some chairs. I also have my butterfly bucket hat, and it's the same colors as my top, so I thought it was perfect. My bag was pretty much already packed, but I have like water, I have my AirPods, I have some cameras in there, some chargers, I have a book. I'm gonna throw in sunscreen now, and these little towel holders, honestly, these are the best thing I ever bought from Amazon. This is how you keep towels on like chairs. I love them. These are our towels, so they give us two. They're just blue and it says Carnival. Let's go get our day started. Taking a lunch break right now. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but we're at the Big Chicken, which is like Shaq's chicken franchise, I guess, that's on Carnival. Alan is coming with our food right now. So he's trying the chicken strips, and then these are the fries, so they're pretty much like wedges. I'm having the MDE, which I guess is like the signature chicken sandwich, so it's fried chicken with the Shaq sauce and pickles, and I'm also having a side salad. Alan just went to the restroom, so I'm gonna try one of these like wedges. Oh wow, those are really good. So the salad I just picked up from the Lido market. I really wanted Italian dressing on it, but I couldn't find it for whatever reason, so I got French dressing. The chicken is so moist. Wow. The sauce is almost like a chipotle. That's probably like the best way I could describe it. And then pickles. It honestly reminds me of like a Big Mary back at home. When we're done eating, we're gonna go get some dessert. I saw mango gelato. I'm gonna go get that.
Can I do a hazelnut?
So I got my mango gelato. The hubby got hazelnuts. Oh wow, that is really good.
So it has something in there.
Yeah, it does. It has like little nuts maybe. And my mango.
These nuts.
Food on the ship. It's really good. It is a little bit later. We ended up coming to the room at like 4:30, I want to say, and we took a nap until 6. My husband is actually still sleeping. I don't think you can see him. I angled the camera so you don't see him, but I am up now and I am getting ready. I'm in the middle of doing my makeup, so I just wanted to chit chat with you guys about our day. It is actually the elegant night here today, so usually always the first sea day and then always a second day there's an elegant night, which I think is on like Thursday, I don't know, but this is the night where everybody dresses up super formal and really nice. Like people literally will wear like formal dresses, like if you're going to like the gala or something. We're not that extreme, but we are like dressing up nice. I don't know if you guys can tell in the camera, but I did get a little bit burnt, which I'm not happy about because as you guys saw, it was like cloudy, then it was sunny, it was cloudy, it was rainy, it was crazy, and I even had sunscreen on, so I'm pretty upset. And honestly, it's so weird. It's only this right side. I don't know what happened. It's literally just on this right side though. It's so weird. But we honestly were just by the pool pretty much most of the day. After we had lunch, we went back to the pool and honestly it was really sunny. I think that's when I got burnt. But they had 90s trivia, so they were playing like all 90s music and people had to guess, you know, the song name or the lyrics or whatever it was. We have a lot of plans that we're gonna try and get to tonight. So we want to do some pictures for the elegant night. We want to go to a show that's at 7:15. It's so hard to tell in the room sometimes with the lighting, like how your makeup looks. So I have a ring light on, but I still can't tell that well. Hello.
What's up?
I don't know if they, oh yeah, they can see you. Hubby is up now. That means I really gotta get moving on getting ready. It's honestly tiring being in the sun all day and just, even though we were doing nothing, it gets tiring. I'm gonna finish getting ready because I have to finish my makeup and also do my hair, but I'll show you guys my outfit and like what we get up to tonight. Damn, look at this makeup. I did such a good job. Curled my hair quickly. This is the dress. I just can't see the full thing, but it's pretty long. It has like a bodysuit instilled in it, and then it's like black floral lace. It's really pretty. It has 2 slits, 1 on each side. Just wearing black sandals. Put some hoop earrings in. So cute. This is the hubby's outfit. He's wearing black also. Ooh. We got this for my wedding. It's a white purse with gold butterflies, so I'm gonna wear this. And we are late for the show by like 5 minutes, so I have to go. Bye.
$1,500. So Alaska, vegetables, $1,500.
Oh my, I'm so tired. It is like 12:30 and your girl needs to hit the hay. We had such a fun freaking night. We did so much. First we went to the magic show, which was really cool, and then as you guys saw, we went to the deck and we danced for like 30 minutes. It was so much fun. And then we went to the comedy show. That was really good. Honestly, comedy on the Carnival ships is the best. The hubby went out. He's going to the casino for a bit, but I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna take off my makeup and I'm gonna head to bed. We went to one of the shops and I purchased some aloe. It is much needed. Honestly, a little bit of my forehead is burnt too, but it doesn't hurt or anything, which is a good thing. So I think by tomorrow it's honestly probably gonna be gone. Oh my god, before I forget, we took so many nice photos, but they're really expensive, so we're gonna have to see if we're gonna buy them or not. I think I'm gonna end this vlog just because it's been like a day and a half, like the full day today plus yesterday, and I think I'm gonna start a new vlog tomorrow just for the sake of like when I travel. Usually I do like a vlog per day and it's just a little bit too much. I just kind of want to enjoy my time and not have the camera like everywhere every second of the day. So this was just a little snippet into the first 2 days on the cruise, and I will catch you guys tomorrow, which is another sea day. Good night.